Hey guys, I'm back with a new video. In this video, let us learn about a distributed peer-to-peer network that the blockchain technology uses. So blockchain is supported by a network, more specifically termed as the distributed peer-to-peer network. So a peer-to-peer network is a network of computers. So you can think of these nodes as network of computers that allow information to be shared across the users. So it allows users, which are known as nodes, to send information directly among one another without the need of central authority to hold that information. So it is a way to connect users in order to share the information. So as an example, think of a chat service like say WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is a peer-to-peer network that allows you to talk to your friends and family. Another example can be a cell phone, which gives peer-to-peer access to anyone else with a phone. So blockchain is also a peer-to-peer network, but it's not just peer-to-peer, it's also a distributed network. Now, a distributed network is similar to the idea of peer-to-peer network. So it's a network that allows information to be spread across many users over the network. So that means peer-to-peer allows open communication with users. So being distributed itself allows that information to be owned by the users. So this was a very short video on peer-to-peer network. In the next video, we will discuss about the type of networks, their strengths and their use cases. So let's catch up in the next one.